Nike is set to release the women's exclusive Air Force 1 Corduroy Pack for fall or winter 2025, bringing a seasonal upgrade to Bruce Kilgore's legendary silhouette. The collection follows other popular iterations such as Cordura, GORE-TEX, and Autumn Leaves, showcasing the brand's commitment to mixing innovative textures with timeless style. Each design is fully wrapped in corduroy, featuring vertical lines on the toe box and quarter panels, while the heel, overlays, and eyelets shift to horizontal for added depth. A highlight of the pack, the Baroque Brown version, includes tan pebbled leather details on the swoosh and backtab, refining its premium aesthetic. Clean white midsoles balance the textured uppers, keeping them adaptable for different looks. Priced at $125, this pack delivers comfort, warmth, and fashion-forward appeal for colder months. By reintroducing corduroy in inventive forms, Nike reinforces the Air Force One's ability to stay classic while embracing seasonal trends.